Hello everyone, welcome to the top-down analysis lecture. In this lecture, we'll be exploring the top-down analysis. Now currently this is the Apple weekly chart. In top-down analysis, what do? We analyze the market from the top to bottom. First of all, we'll discover the weekly chart, what's going on the weekly chart. Then we'll discover the daily chart, how the stock is performing in the daily chart. And finally, in the last, we'll plan for our trade setup in the hourly chart. So this is how top-down analysis works. Top-down analysis is a great method to analyze the markets. So this is the Apple chart. Let's do the top-down analysis on it. We'll apply all the things we have learned in the lectures. So this is the Apple chart. The market was in uptrend. As you can see over here, the market was in uptrend. Let's mark the support and resistance zone. We got one support over here. Let's mark it. We got one support over here. This is our support level. We have one resistance level over here. We have another resistance level over here. And we have one support level over here. Yes. Now the support and resistance levels are marked. These are essentials, as I have told you in the lectures. Now we have marked the support and resistance levels. We know the key levels from where the price can bounce back or from where the price can retrace. Let's go to the daily chart and find what's going in the market. This is the daily chart. Let's draw trend lines and see what is the market trend right now. We'll take the trend line. Here the market was an uptrend, trend line broken, retested, and now heading towards downside. Let's draw another one. The market was retracing, it was acting as a resistance. Trend line got broken. The price went in uptrend. Here again the uptrend was broken. Now the price is in a downtrend. Absolutely good. Now it is facing a resistance over here. So we know that the market is facing resistance over here and heading towards downside. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart and apply some indicators and apply a chart pattern. Let's remove this. The 4-hour chart. Now this is the 4-hour chart. I can see clearly we are having an asymmetrical triangle over here. Now focus on this. Let's take the trend line and draw the symmetrical triangle. This is the trend line and this is the resistance level. The price is facing a resistance and this is the support level. So this is our symmetrical triangle. Absolutely perfect. You can see the Apple stock is now trading into the triangle and these key levels are acting as support and resistance level. Now what we have to do, we have to wait for the breakout or the breakdown, then we can place the trade. Let's measure the length of the triangle. This is approximately 11.11%. So if the triangle gets breakout to the upside, the target will be absolutely perfect to the next resistance level. We'll take the trade and the target will be towards the upside. And if it gets break down to the downside, then our target would be, let's measure it again. Towards here. So now wait and watch scenario is going on. We have to keep eye on this triangle for breakout and breakdown. For confirmations, we can use the indicators. Let's use the RSI and MACD. This is the RSI and this is the MACD. The RSI currently is not forming any divergence and is not in the oversold territory, and the MACD line has not given us any bullish signal till now. So we have to wait for the breakout. If the RSI shows us a bullish sign and if the MACD shows us the bullish sign, and we have to keep eye on the triangle. If we see any sign of bullishness towards the upside, we'll take the trade and our take profit is already mentioned over here to the next resistance level. And for further more confirmation, if you want to confirm the trend, you can use the 4 EMA indicator. Let's use the 4 EMA. The 4 EMA currently is facing resistance right now, as you can see over here. If these lines cross over again in sequence like this, we'll place a trade. So this is how simple it is. You can also analyze any chart pair you want in the financial markets. Apply this method as I've shown you. Go to the chart. From the weekly, draw the major support resistance levels. Come to the daily chart, draw again the minor support levels. Check the trend, what's going on in the market. Open 4-hour chart, see if there is any pattern forming, anything. Use the indicators and then decide and take the trade. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you have understood the top-down analysis. And still, if there's any question, you can ask me. I'll be happily there to respond you. Thank you, everyone.